Hi, Phil with Diode Dynamics, and I'm here with an unlimited Sport JL Wrangler that we've installed our switchback LED front turn signal bulbs on. Now, due to the efficiency of the LEDs, we're getting a hyper flash on the dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to install resistors to get that corrected. Installation should only take you about 15 minutes or so, and let's go ahead and get started. So you'll access this wiring the same as you just did with your bulb installation by removing this pop rivet that's in the fender liner. I went ahead and removed a couple more to be able to give you a good angle. You can do the same thing if you'd like to give yourself a little bit more room on the wiring. I'm also going to go ahead and disconnect this small side marker connector here to get it out of the way to give myself a little bit more wiggle room on the wire. And then I'm going to remove the bulb and pull it straight on back. Now the wires I'll need are going to be this green and white as well as the black. The green and white wire being your turn signal, the black being your ground. What we'll need to do is take our quick splice connector, snap this over the wiring, seat it in place, which can be a little tricky given the angle. I'll do this on both the black wire and the green and white wire, and now you can see why I gave myself a little bit more wiggle room in order to get in here. All right. Now that we have our quick splice connector in, we're going to go ahead and slide our resistor into this outside channel, and then simply click down the lid until it snaps, and then grab your needle nose pliers or something similar and go ahead and give this guy a good squeeze to make sure it's making good contact with both of those wires. Repeat this on the black wire. And this will complete your resistor installation itself. Now that you have your resistor secured and in place, go ahead and I'm going to return the bulb to the socket. And now one thing you will need to take note is this resistor will get quite hot when the turn signal is running. You will want to keep it away from any of the wiring or any of the kind of softer plastics that are under here. But go ahead and tuck this guy up and secure it however you see fit to make sure it's out of the way. I'm going to reconnect my side marker light here now that I don't need the slack. And I'm going to repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle to complete my resistor installation. With your resistors installed on your switchback turn signal bulbs, you'll eliminate the hyper flashing on the dashboard and get that back to a normal blink rate. For more information on this product, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.